Hello ladies and gentlemen, Banky Wellington here with some pretty urgent news. We found out that on the ballot paper for the House of Representatives seat in Adesua, the logo that you will see for the Modern Democratic Party is wrong. We've done everything within our power to rectify it, but the truth is they've already come so far and they can't reprint the ballot papers no matter how much everybody wants that to happen. It's just not possible. The great news is that we are on the ballot. You will see the Modern Democratic Party name there on the ballot for the House of Representatives with the logo that you are seeing on the screen right now. We're going to do everything that we can do to reprint promotional material, but we need you to share this video. We need you to post the logo that people will see. Post it everywhere that you can on social media, online. Share it with everybody that you can share with. We're focused on the finish line right now. Nothing will deter us. Nothing will stand in our way. We have shined our eye. We are moving to the finish line. Okay? Modern Democratic Party, it's yours, sir. Let's go. And let's talk about accountability and transparency. We have a House of Representatives. People don't even know what is the salary, what is the allowance, what was the allocation given to you, what did you do with it? You have people that are multiple term senators and House of Reps members. You can't point to one bill that they've suggested. You can't point to any issue that they've argued for using the power of that office. What have you done with the office that you've occupied all of this time? We don't even know who these people are. I spoke at a church on Sunday. There were 3,000 people there. I said, how many people you know who your House of Reps member is? Please raise your hand. In a church of 3,000 people, 5 people actually knew who their representative was. This is the representative of a community. This is the person that is responsible for the laws that govern society and for development and solving issues in the community. You don't even know who they are. This is supposed to be the advocates of a community. But we let these people enter office election season after election season. We don't know who they are, talk less of being able to say, Oga, you have been in office for 4 years. Please tell me what you have done with it. I saw that there were alternatives running for president. And I said, you know, that's great. But we need people to infiltrate government at multiple levels. At the House of Reps, at the state houses of assembly, the local government chairman. Let's get people that know what matters in. At this point, it's either we accept that it's a room full of darkness or somebody tries to strike a candle. That's what it's about now. And the fact that I'm running has made people, all of a sudden, people are saying, okay, this is what a rep is supposed to do and supposed to care about and supposed to work on. So what has my rep done? And you're running for rep, okay, then tell me what you care about. That's what it's about now. And I feel like that's partly why I'm doing this, because I'm trying to inspire our generation to pay attention again. We've had bad leaders, yes, but as citizens, we've caused the problem because we're not paying attention. And it's not just about who's running for president or governor. Your rep has responsibilities to your community and to the country as a whole. Why don't we know who these people are? Your rep is supposed to have an active constituency office. It's in my agenda. They're supposed to have an office that the community can come to with issues so that they can follow up. I met a guy and he said the only time that he had seen his rep was in a poster in election season and in the lobby of the Transcorp Hilton in Abuja in 4 years. And that's the rep. Your rep doesn't have town halls. Your rep is not coming to give you his attendance record. And that's your rep. You see him on a poster and in the lobby of the Transcorp Hilton in Abuja. We've created a government where people say, Honorable, Your Excellency, and they don't deserve those titles. Do something honorable. Do something excellent. Government is public service. You are the #1 servant in the country. That's what you are. It's not a title to make wealth and to walk around with all of this pompous and pageantry so that people can lay down and worship you and lick your feet. That's not what government is supposed to be. Government is supposed to serve the public. So let's get people in there who understand that that's what they're there to do. Serve the public, help the community, empower people, impact education, impact healthcare, help the children, help the girls and the boys. Do something with the office. You know why I want to be a House of Reps member? Because I've been a representative all along. Without the office, the impact is limited. With the office, man, you get enough people in that House of Representatives, enough people in State House of Assembly thinking like this. That's how you change a country. You change a country by changing one community at a time. We've had bad leaders, yes, but as citizens, we've caused the problem because we're not paying attention. And it's not just about who is running for president or governor, your rep has responsibilities to your community and to the country as a whole. Why don't we know who these people are? Your rep is supposed to have an active constituency office. It's in my agenda. They're supposed to have an office that the community can come to with issues so that they can follow up. I met a guy and he said the only time that he had seen his rep was in a poster in election season and in the lobby of the Transcorp Hilton in Abuja in 4 years. And that's the rep. Your rep doesn't have town halls. Your rep is not coming to give you his attendance record. And that's your rep. You see him on a poster and in the lobby of the Transcorp Hilton in Abuja. We've created a government where people say, Honorable, Your Excellency, and they don't deserve those titles. Do something honorable. Do something excellent.
Nothing can break it down. This is our chance for victory. We have to take it now. Our hearts are elevated like eagles soaring high. As every culture comes together, we can rule the sky. Together in the night, child, move into one beat.
Give us a chance to work for this community and to create opportunity for young people.
Muna so hari kai ku din Allah ku zo mu hada kai tare da shi mu yi zabe za mu ji dadin sa a cikin wannan party.
The House of Reps follow the ladder. We are going to do this for the young people of this community. We will have a government that listens to you, that shows up face to face, and that works for you.
My name is Julie Mobo. I work with the Lead Nurse Africa International Foundation. Banky W and the Modern Democratic Party have teamed up with Lead Nurse Africa to provide medical missions to communities in Etiosa local government of Lagos State. We have been to Nigerian community, we have been to Oshapa, London. We actually have been to Oshapa twice, and then we visited Jakonde today. One of the things that we have been able to do is to provide services like checking the blood pressure. We've checked their blood sugar level. We also check their BMI, that's their body mass index. We've also carried out some tests, that's the HIV test. Out of close to about 100 persons that we have been able to attend to, we have close to 15 with high blood pressure. And our medical doctors have been able to counsel them. They have consulted with the doctors and they have been referred to the healthcare center for proper care. And Lead Nurse Africa will be following up. This is what Modern Democratic Party has decided to do even while campaigning. We do not want to make empty promises, but we are keeping and making the people realize what they will expect when Olubankole Wellington is voted into office.